This is Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead. This is Update 27 of the Vermicompost experiment. Here is Bin 2 on December 15th, 2019. Moving forward to February 9th, 2020. There's not much to note about the Bin 2 here. There are no foul odors, no creatures that don't belong in there. Everything looks as it should. We have an outdoor temperature of 75 degrees with a humidity of 55%. And an internal temperature of the soil is 69 degrees. So it's a nice cool day outside. A comfortable day here in South Florida. Everything looks good here. Not much to talk about. I decided to break out some of this waste that we had in the kitchen here. I've been storing it up for about a week or half or two here. I thought I'd throw in some bread, because I don't think I've thrown bread in there before. And then also wanted to see how they might react to all these potatoes. Okay, now we're going to switch over to bin number 3. Here we are back December 15th. Moving forward to February 9th. Same thing, exterior temperature 75 degrees. And then the interior temperature on the soil here is 68.9, so it's right there at 69 degrees, consistent with the other bin. No foul odors, no creatures that don't belong in there. It looks like they have eaten all the previous waste down to nothing. I did check under some of those avocados, and there was still a little bit of avocado left. I think I may have waited too long, so it's taking them a little longer to eat those things. Okay, that's all for Update 26. This is Unit 13. I'm out.